What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. If you have been around for a minute, what's up, fam? Good to see you again. So today's video I have been planning for a while. I actually filmed it once, but there was no sound. So here we are. It's going to be my favorite Amazon products. And a lot of it is going to be things for your home. I recently moved, so a lot of these things are like either space saving for an apartment or decor, but it's not only that. I have a lot of other things too. I have fashion, I have a variety. So if you're interested in seeing those things, then keep on watching. And I promise you, you're not gonna see like the same old shit that you see in all the Amazon videos. I got some good stuff. Okay, where to begin? The first thing I am going to talk about is I got this set of 4 picture frames. I just think this is so gorgeous. My living room is pink and gold. Those are the decor. So for 4 of these, it was $19.99. Now for my kitchen, I have rose gold. So how freaking adorable is this? It is a little rose gold coffee pot where I keep all my Keurig coffee pots. Oh, they have this in gold as well. Oh, it's actually cheaper than when I bought it. It's $25.99. Okay, next I have these magnetic star curtain tie box, and it's in gold. So it is magnetic, so you just tie this around your curtain and boom. How adorable is that? So I have pink curtains, so we got pink and gold, and these were $11.99. Okay, next I have actually one of 3 pairs of Bebe, however you want to pronounce it, sandals. So, and it's crazy how cheap they are. But I was just looking at it. I got these for, like, all of them I got for $20-something. But looking at them now, one of the pairs I got is now $37.08. So I got these pink fur ones with silver, and the ones that are more expensive now, they're rose gold glitter. Oh, but they have gold. Ooh, the gold ones are $27.97. Love these. I wear them so much. So next I got this set of like gold leather jewelry boxes. I just think they're so glam and chic, and oh, I love them. So it comes with this one, and then we have the smaller one as well. So these were $36.99. I just think they're so gorgeous. Okay, let me tell you a little story before I show you the next product. Okay, I have so many watches, and when the battery would die, I would just wear it as an accessory, basically, or buy a new watch, because I just never wanted to go and get the battery replaced. But I got this watch battery changer, watch battery replacement toolkit. So it comes with screwdriver type thing. And so this is actually how you take the back of the watch off. You put your watch in there. Okay, let me do it. So you put your watch, and then you screw it closed so it's holding it. Okay, and then you take this little piece here and you just pop off the back and then change the battery. Now, waterproof watches require a different type of opener. I don't have any of those, so I have not used this and I don't know how to use it, but that is in here if you have a waterproof watch. This, a little thing to clean it, and then I did have to buy the batteries separate though, but I was able to replace the batteries in all my watches and they're actually functioning now. That was only $10.99. Okay, next I have this sunglass holder case. I just think it's like very chic and looks really pretty in my closet, as well as keeps my sunglasses protected. I believe this was $19.99. Usually when I would travel, I would put my jewelry like just in like a mini makeup bag, like one I got from Ipsy, but everything would always get so tangled. So I got this travel jewelry organizer. Oh, I actually still have some stuff in there. So up here is where you can clip in necklaces. Then you have a couple of pockets here. You have a little zipper compartment here. You have some things for earrings. And then this can be for rings or bracelets. And then you have another zipper compartment here. But how cool is that? It's a little handle. So this was $18.57. Next I have this nail polish holder. Ugh, nail polishes can take up so much space. I was like, I need a way to, you know, save some space with all these nail polishes. So let me see how many it holds. I can't remember off the top of my head. 48 nail polishes. And oh, they pink. They didn't have pink when I got it. Clear one is $18.78, but they also have pink and purple, which are $20.78. So next I have this spinning lipstick holder. So we have a place on the top and then all around, and it does spin. And that was $26.96. Okay, next. Now I had a chandelier, but when I moved into my new apartment, all the rooms had fans and there was nowhere for me to connect a chandelier to the electricity. So I got this. This is a chandelier plug-in conversion set. So you connect the chandelier to this and then you're able to hang this up with it plugged in anywhere you want. So I just need to pick out a chandelier and I'll be able to use this. So this was $17.99. Okay, next I have this ring light phone holder type of thingamajiggy. So whether you're wanting to film videos or just take a selfie hands-free, this is awesome. So you put your phone here, you have your ring light here, which has a few different shades of light, and then it has a clip. So like I could clip it right here and film. Let me show you the different lights. Okay, so and you can also go brighter or less bright. I love this thing. I use it all the time. This was $18.99. Alright, this is the one thing that you probably have seen on another Amazon video, but it is, what's it called? It's like a pet hair remover. So you just roll this against whatever surface you're trying to get rid of pet hair, and then you open this up, oh yeah, and all the hair is captured in there. It can be for dog hair too. Pet hair remover roller. So that was $24.59. Oh wow. Speaking of pets and their messes, now most of my apartment is not carpet. There's only carpet in the bedrooms, but I swear whenever my cats throw up or need to cough a hairball up or something, it's on the carpet. And I do have a steam cleaner, but it's like I don't want to take that out and go through the whole process just for a small stain. So I got this, what's it called? Bissell Spot Clean Pro Heat Portable Spot and Stain Carpet Cleaner. So this, it's just great for small areas. You don't have to push around a whole big steam cleaner. It comes with a bunch of different attachments. You can do furniture with this. You can, you know, clean upholstery or just for spot cleaning. And this has saved my life. But it was actually more expensive than my upright, like full-size steam cleaner. It was $119.99, but definitely worth it. I got this set of, I believe it was 6 storage cubes. I just think this is so pretty with the pink sequins. Oh, and it's a really nice way to like organize your closet and make it look really pretty. Okay, so next I got this Fujifilm Instax. So this is kind of like a, you know, a Polaroid camera, but it comes out with mini pictures. So you open it up, and it came with a bunch of different accessories. It came with stickers to put around the frame of it. What else? It came with this case, and it came with like a little scrapbook you can put your pictures in. I just think this is super cute. I want to, once I get like a bunch of pictures, I want to make a little collage. So this was $99.99. Speaking of collages, I came across this. It's called Pinky Lemon Wall Collage Kit, and I got it in pink rose gold. So it basically comes with a whole bunch of really cute pictures that you can arrange any way you want. So I'll put a picture of it up here, and then I'll show you how I put mine together as well. Okay, next I'm going to talk about these ponytail extensions. So I got one that's wavy, and so what you do is you put your hair in a ponytail, and the key to getting it to stay well is to use like 2 or 3 hair ties. Then you put this there and then wrap this around, and it's just so easy to make a super cute hairstyle and give yourself a nice, beautiful, long ponytail. They have them in wavy, and then they also have them straight. These were $12.99. So next I want to talk about this 28 pair shoe rack storage organizer. And it can really be used for anything. It doesn't have to be used for shoes. But I'll put a picture up, and then I'm going to show you. This is the shoe closet. So it has zippers on each side, and then you can roll it up and put it in there. Okay, so here is one side. You can keep that rolled up with. So here it is. I forget how many pairs of shoes it said it can hold. I want to say like 48 or something. So this is really nice, and then you can just zip it back up and No one has to know what's in it, and it looks super clean. And looking at it now, it's actually a lot cheaper than when I bought it. When I bought it, I think it was like $48, but now it's $30.99, and the black one is $27.99. So I think this is really cool. It helped me when I was moving. So these are vacuum seal bags, but it has a hanger, and you can hang multiple items with little hooks here. And then you vacuum seal it. Set of 4. It says the clear is $35.99, but the white is only $26.99. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so next I'm gonna talk about this wall mount vinyl holder. So I have a Cricut, and I have a lot of vinyl, or like iron-on vinyl for making shirts, and this is a great way to store it. And it can also be used for bags. And a 2-pack was, they have pink. They didn't have pink when I got it. A 2-pack of white was $12.99. Let's talk about this raindrop crystal floor lamp. Stunning. I'm going to talk about glamorous. This is Glamorous. Here is the crystal lamp. Look how gorgeous that is. And the lovely thing about my experience with it was, so I moved in and I lost the instructions. I could not find the instructions anywhere online. I even called Amazon support, and they couldn't find anything, a video, nothing. So I had to put these crystal strings on. I just had to figure it out. You don't know how many times I had to move them around so that it would actually look like a spiral. So this was $109.98, but it is. Here is the chandelier that I have just in my closet. So this is the bookshelf that I got. Oh, we don't want the flash. It's gold and white, and it attaches to the wall. Okay, this is probably one of my favorite things ever. I used to have a desk where I would make my soap, but it took up a lot of room in my dining room, so I got this. Ta-da! My soap cabinet. I got all my fragrance oils and my pigments, and yeah, when I'm done I can just flip it back up and save some space. Here is my little picture. Alright guys, so those are some of my favorite Amazon products that I've just really been loving recently. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this and maybe saw something new. And yeah, alright guys, I will see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.